Now that you've had some experience with knitting and purling, you'll need to know what to do when you finish a ball or want to start a new color. An important and surprising rule of knitting is that you never tie a knot. Here's what you do instead. Stop knitting with the old ball when there are at least 8 inches of yarn remaining. To begin the new ball, put the right needle into the next stitch. Fold the new yarn about 8 inches from its end and with the tail on the left. Place the loop of new yarn over the right needle with the tail coming out the back of the work. Pull the loop through the first stitch on the left needle and allow the stitch to fall off the needle, just like a regular knit stitch. This leaves 2 tails, as well as loose stitches and a small hole in the knitting. But never fear, you'll weave in those ends later. We have a tutorial on how to do that at purlsoho.com. Here's a tip. Try to add the new ball close to the edge of your work so the woven-in ends will be as inconspicuous as possible. We've done it in the middle here to clearly show the process.